One more time, let's go sing. What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. So if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, hindi pwedeng hindi natin ito i-react, no? This is Liham by SB19 on The Voice Generation sa GMA. So nung nakita ko to kanina sa recommended videos, I was really ecstatic, no? And excited na, uy, may performance pala sila sa The Voice Generation. And by the way, baka may glitch or parang naglalag yung video feed ko. Kasi this is real time, no? Kasi yung video feed ko is coming from my phone via Wi-Fi. Kaso, down yung Globe today. So, I'm using data. So, yung stability ng video feed via data is medyo mahina. So, yun lang naman yung ano dito. May lag lang ng konti sa video ko. But this is real time, ha? So, I apologize for that in advance. Anyway, nakaka-proud lang to kasi yung ano, yung caption dito. Yung caption dito is The Voice Generation's world-renowned P-pop group SB19 sings Liham on TVG. Nakaka-proud yung world-renowned. Dati, every time, man, every time. Lagi kasi akong nare-remind sa mga haters, no? Lagi akong nare-remind ng mga panahon na minamaliit lang sila ng ibang mga artist, kahit hindi naman artista, no? Mga actors, actress. Alam natin kung sino-sino sila, no? May mga nagpo-post pa nga ng ng video, kahit hanapin natin. Try kong hanapin, tas i-react natin. No, yung basta yung very negative yung comment kasi nila sa SB19 or sa P-pop in general, no? Kaya yun nga. But despite all the negativity that were said, no, towards the P-pop community, hindi lang si SB19, eto sila ngayon, world renowned. Woo, I am just so proud. Anyway, let's jump right into the video and tingnan natin tong performance nila na Liham. Okay, so let's go. Very heartfelt,
Lahat ay ayos na naman. Nang bigla na lang ay dumating ang di kinantay. Nagbabalat ngayong himala.
I love that. Stel. Come on, Josh. Sing. Ooh. Nice. I love it, man. Nice. Baka you guys are wondering, why do I keep on smiling? Ang weird naman, dramatic yung kanta tas nakasmile ako. It's because this smile is so precious because I am so proud of them. Man, you don't, I don't know. I'm not, maybe I'm not the biggest fan there is ng SB19. I'm not the biggest 18 out there. Pero yung suporta ko talaga sa kanila, it's just pure. And talagang, kasi iba yung makikita mo sila na world-renowned tinatawag na silang ganung level. No? Makikita mo sila na andyan na sa level na yan. So, iba yung level ng pagka-proud mo no? Pagka ganyan. Kasi sinuportaan natin sila when they started really from the, from the beginning, no?
Okay, rami ng mga bagay na hindi natin maintindihan.
Oh, I love the low notes. I love that. Galing.
Sa kabila ng lahat ay pilit nating binabalikan.
Oh, I love it, Justin.
Mga panaginip na inaasam, ako'y binuo ng mabuti't masamang karanasan.
Ayan, yan ang gigil ni Pinuno. Ang daming fansik yan, no?
Narito ako, magpapagal para sa'yo.
Oh, ganda ng harmony,
Isugo ang buhay.
Oh, may pumapasok. Sino ba to sila? Dancers.
Aking liham sa pag-ibig ko.
I love the vocal splits.
Mag-isa ka sa kahit na ano. Ikaw lang ang himpilan ng aking puso. Sa piling mo'y banatag ang buong pagkatao.
Beautiful.
Yan ang aking mundo.
Beautiful. Okay, curious lang ako. Magkano kayong bayad sa kanila? I don't know if babayaran sila or care of Stel. It's because maybe si Stel yung nag-invite sa kanila para ma-inspire yung mga artist na under sa kanya, no? I'm not sure. Nag-curious ako bigla. No, kasi hindi na basta-basta yung SB19, man. Hindi na sila basta-basta. No? Kung hanggang ngayon may doubt pa rin kayo sa kanila, ewan ko na lang sa inyo. Basta sa ibang bansa, they're already recognized and acknowledged as one of Asia's best boy band or pop group. Okay. Curious lang talaga ako eh. Oh, nice. Very dramatic talaga tong kantan to eh.
Paano kaya kung hindi tayo nagkita?
Oh. Para siyang worship song, no?
Ang buhay ko'y matatawag pang
That's beautiful.
buhay. Sa layo ng bituin, ang tingnan nito'y patingin sa nakaraan.
Para talaga siyang worship song. Ayun yung angst dun, no? Nice. Come on, sing. One more time. Let's go sing. What? What? Grabe.
Ligaya ng aking mundo.
Nice. Woo.
Mga kapuso, ang SB19! Woo! Hello guys! Hello po kayo. Grabe, ang lulupit nyo talaga.
Lupit.
Sobra. Deserve nyo ang hiyawan sa loob ng studio. Kaya isa pa. And I'm sure, hindi lang dito sa studio, kung hindi sa buong
Okay, guys. That was one of the best production na collab with SB19. I said collab because yun may dancers and I think naman hindi naman talaga nila concert ito they were just guests on the show and it was a beautiful and powerful yung kanta, not just vocally hindi lang sa vocals powerful, but the song itself para siyang worship song. Ang lalim ng ang lalim nung tunog pa lang, yung melody pa lang ng kanta, yung arrangement, yung pagbi-build ng kanta from yung parang a cappella part na yung dynamics, it's like a worship song na talagang it has all the feels na kailangan ng isang worship na kanta. So it's a beautiful from vocals, from the lyrics, from melody, yung arrangement. It was really one of their best siguro na kanta so far. And again, I am just so proud of them, like really proud of them. So yeah, that's it. And pasensya na po talaga if may lag sa aking video feed. Hindi ko naman control yung kasi yung internet connection. Anyway, that's it, and hope you guys enjoy that one. Peace out everybody, much love, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace, bye.